In this video, we will learn how we can install full Monte software, then how we can integrate this full Monte software with the MS project for risk purpose. Okay, so here you can see we have already downloaded this file, the software. Double click on this software, then yes, preparing to install. Okay, click on next. Then you can see program maintenance. Actually, you can see we have three options here. Why? Because I have already installed this Monty software on my system. If you will install first time, maybe you will not see these options. Okay, so I will choose modify. Next, click on next, then install, then finish. So next step, we will move to the MS project after installation. Then we will go to the file, then go to the options, and then go to the add-ins. Okay, so you can see here. So next we will go to the com add-ins. Okay, so you can see here. Then click on go option, and you can see add-in available for Monty. Click on OK. So let me show you one thing more. If I go again, add-in option, so add-in, you can see for Monty. So it is already integrated now. Okay, so click on OK. So next we will go to the main tabs. You can see here. Then click on add-in, and you can see for Monty 2016 is integrated with the MS project. So like this, we can install full Monty software. Then we can integrate full Monty software with MS project. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.